Millennium Journalist Day in ME calendar, Organizing calendar. A millennium change happens not through the calendar but through the consciousness of one's own divinity, to feel the transformative change happening through one's own ability to grasp the spirituality of God consciousness or energy fields of the cosmic reality or the vibratory field of universal love. Then there is meaning for me brand souls to be in the awareness of the Millennium Journalist Day on 29, to see that they are enriched with Nija Raj Yogic philosophy and the Nija Raj Yogic life of splendor, beauty and grandeur, with wonder mind to be in the awareness of a Millennium Evolution. ME stands for Millennium Evolution, Manifestation Energy 2. These few words only for those who really want to be a part of a big vision and a mission for the sake of uplifting human beings, human species. Casual words. Those who follow truth and love, they know what is conscience and consciousness of the cosmic reality. Then there is meaning for all wonderful things to be in the presence of a new waves of one thought patterns to influence human species to embark on a new Satya Yuga. Straight, left you are. It's only for me soul in organizing, me unit space, me space for me souls, power manifestation souls, power manifestation categories, and power manifestation groups to be in the business, spirituality and prosperity together concept.